The PlayStation portal, getting stuck on the sign-in screen, is a common problem, often linked to login authentication failures or network issues. To quickly address this, first ensure your PS5 is online and connected to the same network as your portal. Restart both devices. Check your network speed. Sony recommends at least 15 MB upload speed. If the issue persists, verify your PSN account status on the PlayStation website. This initial check resolves the issue for many users. If a simple restart doesn't resolve the sign-in issue, try these advanced troubleshooting steps. Check for firmware updates on both your PS5 and Portal via the PlayStation app or console settings, keeping them updated. Investigate potential IP address conflicts by checking your router settings. As of October 2025, Sony is actively working on software-driven fixes, with future updates potentially including AI-assisted diagnostics to auto-resolve these issues. While VPNs are sometimes used, Sony advises against them for warranty reasons. As a last resort, consider resetting the portal via the reset button on the back of the device.